Last time I wrote a song like this, I was drunk off the last words out of your lips. And what a world, you were always looking for attention. I was holding on to my abandonment obsession. In hindsight, I was just as ignorant as you were, blinded by the you word, combined by the sutures. Goodbye to the cruel world, you had to be out. Then I caught you with another dude in your mouth. Goddamn, little lady, how'd you get so cold? How life teach you all the little tricks you pulled. Hopelessly passionate, openly act as if everything is all my fault. No sacrifice, nah, I should've seen it from the start. Your red dress laying on the floor in the dark. You were everything I wanted, but nothing that I needed. My sexy little piece of shit demon, leaving. I used to say that I loved you. I used to act like your fool. Oh yeah. But now I hear that you're wondering if the girl I run with is treating me cool. You fucking gotta be kidding me. Look at all that you did to me. Why the hell would you be wondering who's kissing me now? You fucking gotta be kidding me. Look at all that you did to me. Why the hell would you be wondering who's kissing me now? Yeah, well okay now, yeah.